We are human beings. We are equal with the men and hindi tayo babae lang. We have the power and we have the voice. Thank you.
What's up, Biniljans? It's me, VJ Altea, here to bring the Talakan Chika raw and straight from our fellow Biniljans. Here we are celebrating the Wow Women here in Binild Antipolo. So I'm here with
Miss Cams from La Salle Mission and Student Life.
Marella.
Ace.
Ava.
For the first question, what's one word na ina-associate mo with women empowerment?
The word conquer. It is now trending.
The word autonomy.
Resilience.
For the next question, what's one stereotype ang gusto mong i-break regarding sa mga kababaihan?
Stereotype na pag babae ka, emotional ka. It's something na laging sasabi, pag babae yan, lagi yan umiiyak, lagi yan nasasaktan, madaling nasaktan. Yung crying kasi, yun yung emotional outlet ng girls that men don't have. So gusto kong i-break yung barrier na yun, na hindi porke emotional ang mga babae, like us, it's a sign of weakness. Because it's not. It's a sign of strength.
Yung mga women daw is too emotional to lead. Well, we are emotional in a sense na we are very compassionate with other people. We are very empathizing. Pero we are not driven by our emotion na in a negative way na masyado kami nagpapa-affect negatively. Kasi we are very much capable of using our own emotions into the empowerment of the whole community, not just the women ourselves.
Saying na women are not born to be a leader, that they are not fit to be in the leadership position, since any gender, especially women, ay born or can do that with their own capabilities.
Yung we're just loud. I feel like that loudness comes with knowledge and power.
Next question, how do you personally uplift other women around you?
Ako personally, example for friends and family, siguro I try to uplift them by always saying na you're beautiful, you're wonderful in every way, always.
So I empower the women around me, especially my family and my friends, by constantly affirming them na they are beautiful, they are powerful, and that they're capable of doing something good for the community. And we're not just merely on the shadow of men, and we are very much capable of making our own name.
Ako personally, I have done things na individual ko lang ginagawa. But one thing I'm most proud of is the organization that I have established with some of the people I'm very close with. It's Angat Antipolo, and right now we actually have a project that interviewed a bunch of women from different backgrounds, and we used that project to get to know women more and to amplify their voices.
As part also of the student publication, I use my voice to share the experiences of women and lift them in their own ways, like sharing stories na part of their nature na hindi simply na bibigyan ng attention.
For the last question po, ano yung message mo for the women out there?
If there's anything that's in your heart or in your mind that you feel like you want to do it, but you still have not yet found the courage to do it, I want you to listen to your inner voice. I want you to listen to God and that believe na kaya mo, and believe that there will always be people who will believe in your causes and your advocacies.
Women's Month, not just Women's Month, but to women in general, is to always use your voice and to always conquer even the hardest stereotypes or anything that hinders you from doing so. Because again, we are limitless, we are powerful, and we can use our own voice in every single thing that we encounter.
That hindi lang yung month ng March, or araw na empower tayo, na we feel empowered because every day we should be empowered. Women are celebrated every day.
Huwag tayong magpa-apekto sa kung ano yung sasabihin ng society sa atin, kasi what matters at the end of the day is yung opinion natin sa sarili natin, kung paano natin i-empower and i-enrich yung mga capabilities and abilities na meron tayo, kung paano natin siya magagamit for the greater good and for the good purpose. And huwag tayong mapagod na ipaglaban yung rights natin, kasi we are human beings. We are equal with the men and hindi tayo babae lang. We have the power and we have the voice. Thank you.